Okay, so we have identified our little guy. Our subject is a Cedar Wax Wing. And apparently they also like to get intoxicated in Minnesota and cause big problems. So it's a very fitting, what's the word? Addition to L&W Farms. It'll fit in here perfectly.
That's why we got it today.
It just had 2 syringes of eggs. Well, it's not really a big syringe. It's kind of tiny. Kind of tiny. Its eyes brightened up.
First poop on my hand.
First poop on
a nice
my wife's hand.
Custard, a nice custard.
Nice little custard poop.
Yeah.
And it is bonding with me now, as it already bonded with my wife. It's in my little pocket, hanging out with me. Once again, she did it again. She brought a bird from death back to life with a little bit of warmth from the hand, a little CPR.
It wanted to jump in my hand. It felt so hot. And it fits perfect.
And it fits perfect. And we found on our farm the smallest egg from a chicken today.
That's gonna be the golden.
The thing is about the size of my thumb. As a matter of fact, let me go get it
your
now.
Thumb, half your thumb.
Well,
you could slice it with your ruler.
Well, my thumb knuckle. Hold on. Let's go see this little thing.
New Densify from Crest, the #1 toothpaste brand in America. Smile, Crest has you covered.
Pride in July returns to
One of Red's eggs.
Saturday, July 23rd, featuring performances by Barbara Streisand, Summer Orlando,
Spirit and Champions eggs,
and special guests from RuPaul's Drag Race, Jan Sport. Pride in July celebrates the inclusion and diversity of the Hudson Valley
we found today.
raising awareness and support for the Dutchess County Pride Center. The event kicks off at 4 p.m. and culminates at 10 with a fabulous fireworks show. Event offerings include an amateur drag race with a $1,000 cash prize, DJ Biscuit from Superior Sounds,
Ancient 3/8
delicious food,
tool,
including Martin's famous lobster rolls, paninis, and ice cream, plus a tap room with 20 New York breweries, mechanical bull, live mermaids, stormtroopers,
Ancient and 1/8 wide,
photo ops, face painting, hey girl, hey ride, vendors, and more. Tickets available at bartonorchards.com. Upgrade to VIP with access to a private air-conditioned room.
This thing is
glass, delicious catered
adorable.
food, reserved seating, and specialty drinks all included.